The Advanced Manufacturing Innovation Centre is a £100 million collaborative, innovative powerhouse of advanced manufacturing led by Queen's University in Belfast, in partnership with industry, Antrim and Newton Abbey Borough Council, Ulster University, and supported by the UK Government and Northern Ireland Executive. One of the key technologies within AMIC is Digital Factory, and Digital Factory seeks to serve local industry to improve their manufacturing processes, to share technologies, to de-risk technologies. The key thematic areas within Digital Factory are advanced machining, metrology, robotics, and digital factory technologies.
The partnership with Productive Machines is key because it gives us a greater offering of the technologies that we can deploy in local industry and further afield to help improve their manufacturing processes. Productive Machines came to AMIC to work along with us because of our technology and experience here with lots of CNC machines and other peripheral equipment that go hand in hand with it to help develop software and technologies further. The part's made from aluminium and it would represent an aerospace component. The problem we're trying to solve is improving the stability of the process. So essentially in manufacturing you can at times get vibration and unstable processes. So essentially they're trying to remove that and make it more stable. So we employed two technologies initially, MSP, perfect part, for the alignment process to improve the alignment and make it automated. The second technology we used was Productive Machines, which is making the whole process more stable by removing vibration from the overarching process. MSP perfect part, sometimes you have a complex geometry, castings and forgings, etc. and it's very difficult to align it and can be very time consuming, and also you can essentially manufacture a component and get to the end and realise that part of the stock hasn't cleaned up. So this software will touch the component in a number of locations and align the datum to suit it and let you know, can you make a good part out of this original stock material. So it's reducing waste in the form of non-conforming parts essentially. Productive Machines technology was quite impressive, to be honest. They not only remove vibration, but they improve the surface finish of the component, whilst at the same time getting a cycle time reduction of around 20%. So they give us appropriate cutting data, which we ran and then optimised it. So the benefit of not having chatter is obviously improved spindle life, tool life, reduced cycle time, better component quality. We actually found that the surface finish reduced by 50%, a smoother surface, cycle time 20%, and also the environment, it's less noisy, so it's a nicer environment to work in without noise from chatter and vibration. The results of this here demonstrator part has been very good, and we're going to characterise more materials and do more work along with them to prove the process further and get a better understanding of the software and how it can be used to benefit manufacturing.